What's up, guys? Miguel here, aka Torrent, back with another unboxing. And today I'm actually hyped. AOI reached out to me, me, and I've been eyeballing their stuff like a raccoon outside of a Best Buy dumpster. They said, want to check out our future Starship power bank? And I was like, yes, obviously. I love space and I love charging things. Now, this isn't just a power bank. It's 27,600 milliamp, 240 watt beast. It's got enough juice to charge your phone, your laptop, and your hopes and dreams, and maybe even a car. But again, that's not confirmed about the car. I've always liked AOI's black and yellow design. Looks like Bumblebee from the Transformer became a power brick. But truth be told, I originally followed them for this cable. Their USB 4 Thunderbolt 5 cable is just a chef's kiss. So I asked, mind throwing in that too? And they said, sure. And I was like, you guys are absolute legends. Anyway, today we're just unboxing the power bank. Cables coming later. First impressions, no fluffs. Let's crack it open and see what this little spaceship can really do. Pretty awesome. So far, inside the box, just foam, nothing wild, unless you're really into high density packaging. It actually smells good, like quality electronics. You ever notice that? Good tech always has that new gadget scent, like a Tesla and a circuit board had a baby. All right, let's talk first impressions. This thing feels solid, nice and hefty, not too heavy, but just enough to say I could charge a laptop and defend myself against the zombie apocalypse. We've got 3 ports up top, 2 USB-Cs and 1 classic USB-A. We'll break that down in a little bit. Now, from other videos I've seen, and by seen I mean skimmed halfway through, I know that there's more stuff hidden here at the bottom. Now, note to AOI, please give us a pull tab or something, because I got dad fingers now and it sucks. All right, here's the USB-C cable, pretty slick, and a manual to go through enough info to launch a rocket into space. Well, almost. They've included a 240 watt cable. Wait, no, my correction. It's actually 140 cable. My bad. Classic unboxing moment. All right, so this thing isn't just a power bank. It's a 240 watt unit of chaos. This thing charges your laptop, your phone, and your fragile self-esteem faster than your ex rebounded it. It juiced my MacBook Pro and my Steam Deck at the same time like it was just warming up. And the LCD screen shows real-time wattage, actual numbers, not some blinking guessing game. It's like the power bank is flexing. Yeah, that's 113 watts. You're welcome. We're talking 27,600 milliamp multi-device charging madness. And they even toss in a 140 watt USB cable that gets your MacBook from 0 to 50 in under 30 minutes. That's faster than me pretending like I didn't just spend $7 on coffee. It looks like it belongs in some sort of sci-fi movie, feels premium and fits in your tech bag like it owns the freaking bag. AOI sent me this free of charge, but real talk, it's absolutely, I would buy it. This thing is a no-brainer for power users. Link is in the description.